Hey guys, working on that '06 Cobalt. Now, the reason I was changing the motor is because when I got it, didn't crank over. Put oil in it, oil ran out through the bottom, and here's what I found. Looks like they hit something, kept driving, ignored the warning on low oil pressure, and this is what happened. Cooked the bearings. Well, it's missing the bearing. This was the worst one. This was cylinder 2. Cylinder 2 seized. I had to go underneath here. I'll pause it. I had to go underneath and loosen all the main cap bolts to finally get it to crank over so that I could get the torque converter bolts out. Not fun, but I got it done. And here's my current progress. Dropped off the AC alternator. Went ahead in the back here, dropped the exhaust off, used PB Blaster, let it soak, hit them. I ended up having to cut these two because they just wouldn't come off. But I cut it right here, so I still got enough hose left, should be fine. Disconnected the lower radiator hose. Drop the starter out. Next video will be me pulling it out. And then I'll do an install video too.